So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to connect with WordPress. First, understand that you cannot set up a direct site connection using basic web browser chat. You need to leverage the Model Context Protocol, or the called MCP. By opening the official Claude desktop application, go to your live WordPress dashboard. Navigate to plugins and search for the official automatic WordPress MCP adapter. Click install and activate it and open up an encrypted communication bridge for your AI agent. Next, navigate to your WordPress user profile settings and scroll down to the application passwords section. Type in a label like Claude Desktop Connection and click Generate. Copy that unique temporary password string immediately, as the security system will only display it once. Now, open your Claude Desktop app, head into Settings, click on the Developer tab, and select Edit Config. This will open your Claude Desktop configuration text file. Paste the secure connection block provided by the plugin, swapping out the placeholder lines with your live website URL. Your limited user account login and the application password you just copied. Save the text file and completely restart your Claude desktop app. Pro tip, to double check that your site is securely hooked up, open a brand new chat section, look at the bottom input bar, and click the small plus icon. Or check your developer tab to verify the server status shows as green. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to connect your WordPress. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.